the third question.
Hatred is destructive of a person's wisdom
Mhm.
and science
Ah.
and can poison a nation's spirit.
Yes.
Do you agree with this view?
Yes.
Justify the
Whom
answer.
did you remember when once you read the sentence? History. Hmm? Yes, of course. That is why the question is given. Huh? They want you to think. See, the character of the leader are reflected in the organization or in the nation. Understood? What was the character of that person? Hatred is destructive. There was hatred towards some community. Understood? So hatred is not so good value. Okay, it is considered a bad virtue. Okay, you will also see difference between what is value and what is virtue. This also is an important question. That also you have to read. Here, hatred is destructive of person's wisdom. See, wisdom came. What is wisdom? You know. See, yes, destructive is required. Now, ಇಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ನಾ ಶಾಂತಿ ಪ್ರಿಯ ನಾನು ಬುದ್ಧನ ಎರಡನೇ ಅವತಾರ. Okay, even when China is attacking in the North Asian region, if you sit like Buddha, then you do not have wisdom. You should be powerful, but you should know when to use your power. Okay, that is what is wisdom for you. Conscience. Conscience ಅಂದ್ರೆ inner voice ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ, which will guide your behavior, which will guide your decisions. Okay, I told you it is a dog that never bites but never stops barking. Okay, so that is what conscience and wisdom. If there is hatred in one person, it can get into, it can poison a nation's spirit. So many of us know, in no way it is political tilt or anything. Don't you feel Vajpayee is considered one of the best PMs of India, isn't it? Do you see these things in his policies, or do you see friendship in his policies?
Friendship.
Yes, that is it. Means how the leader behaves, like that the nation's spirit is formed. Okay, don't you think the international stature of India has gone up exponentially in past few years because there is an active leader? Okay. There was a woman prime minister. Okay, everyone felt a woman cannot handle a nation. Don't you think she was the most powerful till date? Okay, because there is no war happened till now. Till date, she is considered one of the most powerful prime ministers. Okay, don't you think? See, when the destructive thing is there in the leader, that itself will poison the nation's spirit. But if the person's wisdom and conscience is having construction or development or something which is positive in nature, then it will grow into nation's spirit. Okay, this is what you have to. Do you agree with this view? Justify your answer. Give both the examples. What happens if hatred is taken as the main in wisdom and conscience? How it will spread into nation's spirit? How it will poison? And if something good is taken, okay, into the wisdom and conscience, then how it can actually better the nation's spirit? Understood? That is how. See, conscience is there, wisdom is there. These are all linked to inner guidance. Okay, that is again linked to human values. They are again linked to ethics. Okay, ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ? Just see the next question now.
What are the main components of emotional intelligence?
ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೇನೆ. What is emotion? What is intelligence? When they are not absent, okay, what happens? Okay, when only emotion is given the power, okay, in our head or in our mind, then what happens? What are the consequences? Then if intelligence, okay, what is intelligence here? It is not IQ or anything like that. Intelligence is something which is being rational. Okay, rational emotion is better than just emotions. Intelligence, like, see, here you don't have to be Einstein to have emotional intelligence. Understood? Okay. See, for example, what happens? In the morning, you have dressed up very well. Okay, you went to dining table. You are sitting there. You have a younger brother who is very mischievous. Okay, he comes running. He'll spill something on your clothes. Now that time, how you react will have a lot of impact on that child. Okay, just imagine if you just react with emotion, then the child gets impacted in so many ways. But if you act with emotional intelligence, oh, see, you should not run like this. Okay, my dress got dirty. I am getting late to the office. Okay, this is very easy for me to stand here and say, but very difficult to practice. But if you practice, you can become perfect over the time. Understood? You have to practice that thing. Oh, okay, I'll change. See, if you do like this, dress will get dirty. Okay, you will not be able to reach office on time. You should not do like this. See, these are the things you have to inculcate. These are not ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನೋ ಡಿಫಾಲ್ಟ್ ಸೆಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಮೌಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಓಕೆ ಬಿ ಕಾಮ್ ವೆನ್ ಎವರ್ ಸಮನ್ ಮೇಕ್ಸ್ ಯು ಆಂಗ್ರಿ, ಆ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸೆಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಡಿಫಾಲ್ಟ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಟಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ನೋಕೆ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಯು ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್, ಯು ಆರ್ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಎ ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್. ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ದೆನ್ ಒನ್ ಲೆಸನ್ಸ್ ಟು ಲರ್ನ್ ಲೆಸನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಕೀಪ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸಿಂಗ್. Okay, understood? See again, emotional intelligence question is there. What are the main components ಎಲ್ಲ ನೀವು theory ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. Emotional intelligence main component.
But all this comes with experience.
Yes, definitely. That is why, see, after 20-25 years in our life, we are first time learning this subject. This should be taught in first standard. Isn't it? Or at least 10th standard. 10th standard you are mature enough, right? You are able to understand yourself, you are able to look at yourself, you are able to gauge your strengths and weaknesses, right? At least in graduation they have to keep this subject, no? Ethics and integrity. Just keep one portion of the subject in every sem. You give 100 out of 100 someone if they are preparing well and giving, and it should be practical based, and the behavior can be gauged somehow. Okay, ಆ ರೀತಿ ಇರಬೇಕು. This subject should be taught. Just because you and me are preparing for this exam, we are lucky because we got to learn subject like this. Understood? Okay, read the next question.
What teachings of Buddha are most relevant today and why? Discuss.
ಆಸೆ ದುಃಖಕ್ಕೆ ಮೂಲ. UPSC attempt after attempt. ಆಸೆಯೇ ದುಃಖಕ್ಕೆ ಮೂಲ. So if there is no desire, there is no misery. ಹಂಗಂತ ಹೇಳಿ you should not see one life. Buddha has so many life in Jataka tales. He became Dhira. He became. That is why it works for him. Not against his teachings, but to be on a funnier side of ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ it will make you when you laugh, right, like see some chemical is released and when you become happy you learn more. Okay, that is the thing. What teachings? See, this is, I told you, who is Buddha? Again a moral thinker. We studied that there are moral thinkers now study ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, our teachings study ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. The same can be replaced with Plato. Okay, Aristotle, okay, Mahatma Gandhi's quote, okay, or B.R. Ambedkar's quote, Vivekananda's quote. Then you should know what their ideology was, okay, and then answer accordingly. And you should use your own life examples here. Understood? Next question, Nodri.
The will to power exists, but it can be tamed and be guided by rationality and principles of moral duty. Examining this statement in the context of international relations.
High power. I told you, power exists. The will into power. What is will to power? No. To become most powerful is will to power. Okay, to feel that I am in control. That is what is will into power. What is China doing now?
Will to
It is showing its will to power. It is showing, go USA, your time is over now. Okay, you have played enough. Now it is my time. I will play. Okay, I have all your dollar in my forex reserve. Okay, I will give loan and trap all the countries. Okay, this is how the things are going. Then it can be tamed and guided by rationality and principles of moral duty. Statement in the context of international relation ಅಂತ ಈಗ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So take the examples of different nations and how the will to power has led to World War One, World War Two. Okay, now if World War Three happens, then gone. Then Earth will not survive. Such is the condition. Okay. Still, what is the role of will to power in Cold War? What is Cuban Missile Crisis? Okay. Why did the Gulf Wars happen? And what is the role of US in Israel and Palestine conflict? Okay, what are the religious crusades? Okay, ಎಲ್ಲಾನು this is all about world history. ಓದಿದ್ರೆ world history ಒಳಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ so many examples are there. Okay, now I'll just change the statement. Examine this statement in the context of ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. International relation ಅಂತ ಈಗ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Just same thing. Same thing. See, the will to power exists ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. Guided by rationality. In the context of civil services or civil servant executing his duties. Will to power is there. Once you become powerful, what you will do?
authorization.
You will not sit down. Your neck will be, it will turn some 60-45 degrees above. And you will stop seeing people who are below you. Okay, you are only seeing Akasha. Okay, that shouldn't happen. The context is very important. This word will determine how much marks you will get in the mains. Okay, one word, context. Education policy is there. Okay, education policy ಇದ್ದಾಗ new education policy analyze ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ in the context of ಅಂತ access to free and inclusive education ಅಂತ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಏನು?
Free and inclusive.
ಈಗ context ಏನಪ್ಪ? How the topic is what national education policy or right to education ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. Now the context is what? You have to talk only aspects which are related to free and inclusive education. Now people will come. Teachers are not trained well. There is lot of corruption in SDMCs, School Development and Management Committee. Okay, there is lot of pressure on teachers. All inclusiveness hoitu, free education hoitu, it all thrown in the dustbin. You are discussing other aspects of Right to Education Act of 2009. Definitely, those are the points. Yes, they are related to right to education. But the question is asking in which context? It is asking in free and inclusive education. You have to talk about free first. Okay, ಹೌದಪ್ಪ 6 to 14 years education free ಐತಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ 8th ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಸಾಲಿ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕು. Should we drop out of the school after 14 years? Then what about 14 to 18 years of education? And what about 0 to 6 years of education? Is it free? For so many students it is not free. LKG tuition fee ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಗೊತ್ತು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ? It is 1.5 lakh now. LKG kindergartens. It is 1.5 lakh. Where is inclusive education? ಹೋಯ್ತಪ್ಪ. Okay, pandemic ಬಂತು. There are people who are having smartphones, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಟ್ಯಾಬ್ ಇದಾವ ಮನ್ಯಾಗ, ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಐತಿ, ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಐತಿ, ಟಿವಿ ಐತಿ, with Tata Sky education channel, all these things are there. And ಅವ್ರು ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ಅವ್ರ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಚಲೋತಂಗ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇದೆ ಚೇರ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಂದು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಆಪಲ್ ಇಟ್ಟು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಹಾಲು ಇಟ್ಟು ನೋಡಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ ಕುಣಿಸ್ರು. Then what about people who are in slum? They don't have water and electricity. Leave about TV and internet. Water, electricity ಇಲ್ಲ, TV, internet ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಪ್ಪ? Correct? So where is inclusivity? Where is free? ಈ ರೀತಿ. This is how the context becomes very important. Now the same sentence can be addressed in different context. Now international relation ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಹೌದಾ? international relation ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಈಗಪ್ಪ international relation with where all other aspects ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ civil services ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ. ಹೌದಾ? Right. And can we relate it to horse trading in politics? Do you know what is horse trading? What is horse trading? ಹೇಳಿ ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ರೆಸಾರ್ಟ್ ರಾಜಕಾರಣ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ರೆಸಾರ್ಟ್ ರಾಜಕಾರಣ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ನೋ ರೆಸಾರ್ಟ್ ರಾಜಕಾರಣ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ರೆಸಾರ್ಟ್ ರಾಜಕೀಯ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು
Buying the politicians.
yes that is what is called horse trading see ಈಗ ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬೆಳೆಸಾಕ 20 ml ನನಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟು 10 ಕೋಟಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾನೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ what is happening to the government so where there is will to power exists and yes ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ but you should be sensible enough to tame it with rationality and principle of moral duty if you don't tame it okay yes today you have become officer ಹಂಗಂತೇಳಿ you are not the king of the world ಹೌದಾ even the Saudi kings are not kings of the world they are kings of Saudi only understood and in no way UN chief ಇದರಲ್ಲ he is also no way in ಏನಂತಾರೆ king of the world okay he is under US president's table understood okay so what is happening is there will be always will to power ಇರುತ್ತ ನಾವು ಯಾವ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಕಂಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒಳಗವನ್ನ ರಿಯಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಗೇನ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಎಥಿಕ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮೊರಾಲಿಟಿ ತಿಳಿತಾ ಸಿ ದ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಸ್
So now we have to write it in 150 words.
yes
Now
first define what is will to power generally ಏನಪ್ಪ will to power ಏನಿರ್ತೈತಿ why there is will to power so generally ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ when the person is in society he feels powerlessness ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ
Powerless.
so now in society they are telling you should have MI what is MI you should have either of MI ಅಂತಂತ ಮನಿ ಪವರ್ ಇರಬೇಕು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಇನ್ಫ್ಲುಯೆನ್ಸ್ ಪವರ್ ಇರಬೇಕು otherwise you are powerless anyone can stamp you like this or anything see that is the general feeling in every human being ಈಗ ನೋಡ್ರಪ್ಪ did you see unrelated cutouts or banners in your villages 10 years ago just see now some random person nobody in the village or the next ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಮನೆಯವ್ರು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮನೆಯವ್ರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅವರು ಹುಟ್ಟು ಹಬ್ಬದ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು ಅಂತ ಒಂದು 3x6 ಕಟೌಟ್ ಅದು ಬಸ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಇದಿರತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿರ್ತಾರ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮೂರಿಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲ ಬರು ಹೋಗು ಊರಿದವ್ರಿಗೂ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಸಿ that is the hunger for power that has been created in people because all the people are feeling powerless now they have to ascertain power in some way they are doing this okay see if something like that has not created that kind of situation is not created in the society there will be yes some people are inherently ambitious they will have that yes I have to be powerful I have to do something in my life ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ but if majority of society is moving towards will to power then there is something wrong in the society understood they are either running behind money or they are running behind influence ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ನನಗೆ ಆ MLA ಗೊತ್ತದ ನನಗೆ ಈ MLA ಗೊತ್ತದ ಮಗನ ನೋಡಿ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ ಹಂಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ ಸಿ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ಫ್ಲುಯೆನ್ಸ್ ಮನಿ ಪವರ್ ನಮ್ಮಪ್ಪ ಯಾರು ಗೊತ್ತದ ನಿನಗೆ ನಾನು ಶೂಸ್ ಕಲರ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ನನಗೆ ಗಾಡಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ ನಾನು so these are the things okay see that is what is will to power these are the things happening it should not happen okay ಯಾಕೆ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ when we start relating ಎಲ್ಲ you will learn better okay will to power ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ will to power definition in Google ಹುಡುಕಾಡಬೇಡ್ರಿ don't type definition in Google think sit back whenever you read something pause for 15 seconds and just close ಮಾಡಿ political economical social cultural environmental ethical ಎಲ್ಲ ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಫುಲ್ 360 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಒಳಗೆ ನೀವು ವಿಚಾರ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ 5-6 ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಸಿಕ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾವೆ ಆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಪಟ 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 ಬರೋದು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 3-4 minutes that is what is ethics paper demanding from you if you have clear understanding about a subject ನೋಡ್ರಿ this is not to be prepared it is the subject is to be experienced lived okay and practiced okay ಅದೈತಿ ಅದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಫುಲ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಬೇಕು ಹೆಂಗಂದ್ರೆ ಸಿ ಐ ಆಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಾವು ಒಂದೇ ದಿವಸ ಎಥಿಕಲ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಆಗ್ತೀವಿ ಎಸ್ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ some portion of us is always ethical. Okay, and there are some aspects of life where we have committed mistakes, we are not so ethical ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು. ಬಟ್ ವೆನ್ ವಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ರೀಡಿಂಗ್ ದ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್, ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಲೈಫಲ್ಲಿ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ, ಅವನ್ನ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಲಿವ್ ಬೈ ದೋಸ್ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿಂಗ್. ಅವಾಗ ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕಾಗಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ದೇರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಲಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಲೈಫ್. ನಮ್ಮ ಲೈಫ್ ಏನೂ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಏನೂ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅನಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಈ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಓದ್ಕೊಂತ ಹೋಗಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊರಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಈಚ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಟೈಮ್ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ರೈಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಡೌನ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಇಸ್ ಬಿಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್. ಎಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಎಜುಕೇಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಹೆಲ್ತಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಿರಿ, ಸೊಸೈಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ, ಪೊಲಿಟಿಕಲ್ ಸ್ಪಿಯರ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಯು felt yourself as powerful or powerless, economically have you felt yourself as powerful or powerless, ಈ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲ ಅನಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್? ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಹೌ ದ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಥಾಟ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಲ್ಲಿ ಜಸ್ಟ್ 10 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಕಣ್ಣು ಮುಚ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೆನಪು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಎಸ್, ಆಲ್ 6 ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಒನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ರೈಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಡೌನ್. ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಅವನು ಓದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಳಬೇಕು, ಅವನು ಇವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಯೇಟರ್ ಹಂಗೆ ಬರೀಬೇಕು ಪೇಪರ್. ಸಿ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ದೇರ್ ವಿತ್ ಇನ್ ಅಸ್, we have to find it. ಅಂದ್ರೆ because of the society needs, ಆಮೇಲೆ the desires which we have, ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಮ್ದು ಏಜ್ ಕಂಪಲ್ಷನ್ಸ್, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ಸ್, ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಕೂಡಿ ಏನಾಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ, ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಅವರ್ ಲೈಫ್, ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಾಟ್ ಬರೀಡ್ ಡೌನ್. ನೋ ವೈಲ್ ರೀಡಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್, ನೋ ಯು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್. ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ದ ಪೆಂಡೋರಾ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಾರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ, ಅಂದರೆ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಓಪನ್ ಇಟ್ and then see where all, what all it is fitting, how all ethics has been related to my life. Then you will get so many examples. Okay, next ಏನಿದೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ
Distinction between laws and rules.
Ah.
Discuss the role of ethics in formulating them.
Yes, I told you sometimes what is ethical may not be legal, and sometimes which is legal may not be ethical. Correct? Take the case of euthanasia. What is euthanasia? Euthanasia ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಗುಜಾರಿಶ್ ಮೂವಿ ನೋಡಿರಿ ಯಾರು? ಋತಿಕ್ ರೋಷನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅವರು ಫೇಮಸ್ ಐಶ್ವರ್ಯ ರೈ ಜಿ. ಗುಜಾರಿಶ್ ಮೂವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಯು ಸೀನ್?
The Muslim community.
No. This person is bedridden. He is not able to move, and that person Aishwarya Rai is a nurse treating him, and he starts fighting for a case in a court that with the doctor's help his life should be ended because I am not able to see him suffer. Okay, so it is whenever the person is in vegetative state. What is vegetative state? Coma lirtana. He is medically he is alive, okay, on the instrument, but physically if you see him he is almost dead. Okay, only his brain is active, nothing else is. Understood? These are the things. Okay, so avuna kolbeko badu. Now there is a 15-year lady or a girl, okay, who has been faced with sexual violence and she has got pregnant now. She is only 15. And the baby, she is already 3 or 4 months pregnant. Now, if you keep the baby, it is risk for the mother. Okay, and if you abort it, then you are killing a life. Now, what you should do? See, rule says 24 weeks ಗಿಂತ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಇದ್ರೆ you can abort it. ಹೌದಾ? What is the law saying? If it is below 24 weeks, so do you think before 24 weeks means when the child is within the 24 weeks, doesn't it have life? It is only muscles or something, some body part which you can cut and throw. No, right? These are the things you have to see. Laws and rules, ethics, ille magic happens. Okay? Yes, ethics says that life end ಮಾಡುವಂತ ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಹಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ. Yes, it goes by him. Our rules ಐತಿ. When he takes, he will take it. But we should never. We have a chance to create. Just create it. God has not given you any right to take away life. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಆ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ರೂಲ್ಸು ಮತ್ತೆ ಲಾಸು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಯೂಥನೇಷಿಯಾ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇದನ್ನು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಆಸಿಡ್ ವಿಕ್ಟಿಮ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ರಿ. So many things are there. Rules, laws ಅಂದ್ರೆ they are broad guidelines. Rules rules are very specific for executive implementation. This is made by legislature. This is made by executives. On ground implementation ಆಗ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ. This may be formed earlier. Okay, is the later form ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Some rules may also give rise to new laws. Because of some rules, a new law may come out. All these are things which are related to laws and rules. And how you relate it to ethics is your creativity. ಹೌದಾ? See, ಕ್ರಿಮಿನಲ್ ಟ್ರೈಬ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷ್ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಇತ್ತು. ಏನು? ಕ್ರಿಮಿನಲ್ ಟ್ರೈಬ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದೇ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡೆಡ್ ಸಮ್ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ರೈಬಲ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಆಸ್ ಕ್ರಿಮಿನಲ್ಸ್. Just imagine how unjust that law can be. Understood? Are you understanding how ethics and laws come in conflict? How can you brand some series of people or a group of people, so many group of people as criminal tribes? There is lot to think, right? Laws are always not always ethical, and ethics, okay, will not always support all the laws, and it cannot be made into a law completely. For all practical purposes, we have laws, okay, to control the people in society. Understood? In so many ways, they are not ethical. So, unethical laws author ಬಗ್ಗೆ study ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. Examples ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. Understood? Ethics, laws, rules. ಇದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಓದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Now see. Attitude ಬಂತ. ನಿನ್ನೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ನೋಡಿ. The positive attitude is considered to be an essential character of a civil servant who is often required to function under extreme stress. What contributes to positive attitude in a person? Attitude ಹೆಂಗ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗತ್ತಪ್ಪ? What is attitude? You first tell me.
Willing to do work. Willing to do work.
No, that is not attitude. Willing to do work. Yes, that is behavior. What is attitude? It is hypothetical construct of something is good and something is bad. Hypothetical construct. There is nothing written anywhere. This is good attitude, this is bad attitude. It is our mental attitude. Yes, to be very, I told you last time, drinking is considered by different society in a different manner. That is attitude towards someone who is drinking or is intoxicated. Howda? So some people may say he is a social drinker, it is fine, okay. And some people may say no, it is very bad habit. Howda? So something which is good or bad, you yourself have constructed that in mind. Understood? So those things, more or less, they are permanent. But when rightly educated, there is attitudinal shift, there is attitudinal change. Okay? We also call it paradigm shift. Paradigm shift ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ when ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಈ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀರಿ ಲೈಫ್. Something which will educate you and it will help you to entirely change the direction of thinking at all, and you start looking this way. Oh, ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ತೀರಿ. Okay, that is paradigm shift. So those things will help you even change your attitudes towards so many things in life. ಹೌದಾ? Even ಏನಂತಾರೆ, we may not know so many social problems because we are less informed. Once we start reading NCERT while studying UPSC, reading newspaper and studying sociology, we will come to know range of issues in society. That time, initially your attitude towards some community or some part of society might not be that favorable, but after you are well educated, after you read so many things about it, there is a shift in attitude. Understood? So now that is what positive attitude is considered to be essential character of a civil servant who is often required to function under stress. ಹೌದಾ? ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾರು ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ಸೈತೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ನೋಡೋರು, ದೆನ್ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಹೌ ಡು ಯು ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ attitude ಅಂತ ಕೇಳೋದು. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹೌ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್. ಅಂದರೆ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ attitude ಅಂದರೆ attitude. See why they are calling positive? Attitude can be negative also. I told you it is hypothetical construct of good or bad about something. Some things, people, places. ಹೇಗಪ್ಪ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ ಬಾ, ಇದು ಸ್ಮಶಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ ಬಾ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಂತ. Do you feel good about the idea? See, definitely your attitude towards the graveyard is different. It is negative. Hey, illappa alga danger. Manne hogot munde yaro ನನ್ನ ಪ್ಯಾಂಟ್ ಜಗ್ಗಿದ್ರು. You know, you already have the experience and you know it is a bad place. You don't want to go there. ಏ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇವತ್ತು ಶನಿವಾರ ಐತಿ ಹನುಮಪ್ಪನ ವಾರ ಐತಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಇದು ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಬರೋಣ. ಸಿ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ one good positive attitude about some place, so you will go there. Some people, okay, ಏ ಅವನ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ ಬಾ, ಅವನ ಬರ್ಡೇ ಐತಿ, ಏ ಅವ್ನು ಬಾರೋ ಬಾರ ಐತಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀರ ಕದ, ಏ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್, ಅವ್ನಿಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲಿ, ಏ ಮಾಡೋನ್ಲೇ ಅವ್ನಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಷ್ಟ ಆದ್ರೂ ಅವ್ನಿಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸಿ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ attitudes, hypothetical constructs which are in our brain about things, people or places. Other attitude. So sometimes it can be positive and sometimes it is negative. Now, as a civil servant, how do you always keep a positive attitude even when you are encountered with so many negative things? That is the demand of the question. Function under stress, extreme stress is nothing but you are faced with lot of negativity. That is where define stress. What is stress? What is stress? What is stress? Stress andre enu? See, I feel that our class is less of ethics, more of English learning, meaning words, meaning hudikyadodaagide. See, yes, because we don't always come from English medium. We all have different backgrounds. Even I am not. I have also studied in Kannada medium. Okay. Now that when we keep reading, try to search for right meanings and correct definition of the word. It will help you a lot. Interviews are simple. What is stress and care? Sir, now I don't know the answer. The thing which is happening to me, that is stress and care. Is it? What is stress? Tell me. Srinivas, say it. Stress andre ಏನು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. Come on.
Mental sickness.
Oh, yes. You went too far. You have to just start. That is like continuous stress, you will get mental sickness. That is not it. See, whenever we are human beings, we do have some expectations about life, about our education, about our results, about our affairs, okay, everything, whether it is about father, family, friends, or some relationship, all these things are there, right? So, when something which you had already thought that something like this will happen, and it doesn't happen that way, means when your expectations are not met, or something which doesn't go according to you, or according to as you planned, that is what will cause you stress. Okay, you woke up in the morning, 8th standard NCERT ತಗೊಂಡ್ರಿ, ಫುಲ್ ಮುಗಿಸೇ ಬಿಡೋಣ ಇದನ್ನಂತ 8 ಪೇಜ್ ಓದಿಲ್ಲ. By evening, while having tea, you are having so much stress. Because see, you had planned so much, but you did not complete. Okay, prelims, ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಬಂದ್ರಿ, ಆಯ್ತಾ? You are expecting at least 120 when you came out of the hall. But when you go and check the key answers, you are getting only 98. Again, there is stress created because the expectation was 120 and the reality is when the reality doesn't match with your mental makeup or your expectations or your mental images or mental constructs, that time there is stress. Okay, that is why extreme stress antandre you would have thought na aramagi implement madibidini ee policy anta heli, but so much hurdles came. That time under extreme stress you need to keep a positive mental attitude. Understood? Did you come to know about attitude? Did you come to know about stress? Did you come to know about what is positive and negative? Avada? Understood? So these are the things. Next over it.
What are the main factors responsible for gender inequality in India? Discuss the contribution of Savitribai Phule in this regard.
See, initially we never used to get such questions in ethics. Now Savitribai Phule is there in modern India, socio-religious reform movements. and that has been connected to inequality and women upliftment, and that is an ethical issue. That is coming as ethics
So
question.
now that part will be there in the ethics, or that is out of this one.
No, see, I told you, UPSC likes surprises, surprising candidates. It likes shocking candidates. The same way it is. Yes, you can never expect Savitribai Phule to come in ethics paper, but specifically they are asking why. Because see, the main factor responsible for what are the main factors on the career. Main factors ಏನದಪ್ಪ?
General equality.
Patriarchy ಇದೆ. Because of patriarchy they are not educated. Because they are not educated, they are not economically well off. Once they are not economically well off, they will anyway not have political power, and they cannot bring any social difference or cultural difference. Hence the thing. So main unity education. Education. What is Savitribai Phule related to? She started first women's school in Pune. Understood? Who was her husband? Jyotiba Phule. Jyotiba Phule and Savitribai Phule. They both are husband and wife. She worked for women education. He worked for general education in general. Okay. And he worked for downtrodden SC/ST people. ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಅಪ್ಲಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಶೆಡ್ಯೂಲ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟ್ರೈಬ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಅವ್ರು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅವ್ರು ಎಜುಕೇಟೆಡ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. He worked. So specifically when they are Savitribai Phule and Phule, you should know that this question is asked in the context of education, and in answer you need to focus more on education and connect education to political awareness, economic prowess, social and cultural status, okay, and ethical awareness or conduct. ಈಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, some women, see many a times we tell right, women are women's enemies. Understood? So many ways there are examples you can give. No doubt patriarchy is one of the biggest enemies. With that, women themselves are acting against their community in so many ways. Okay, there are a lot of examples. Now ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇನ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ ಕೂಡಲೇ ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ನ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ಗೆ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, then you have to say why they are not politically empowered, economically empowered, socially or culturally empowered, environmentally they are being put down, and also ethically the entire half of the population of the world is always seen in a lower status, lower light. Understood? That is what is happening. So again connecting.
So but how do we study that those things specifically on education grounds and linking those factors with others?
To be frank, I have not seen this question paper till now. I posted it in the group, but I did not see it. I read it and I was able to at least tell you 10 sentences. I tried to link what the question means, how to go about the answer. I told you the dimensions. This is generally will come when you read all the subjects at least once.
But sir, what I am asking is
Ah.
now in this syllabus it is all about, it is basically about social reformers. So-
See, social reforms is one of the topics. I told you moral thinkers. See, when you are fighting against a menace in society, obviously you are fighting for ethics, and somewhere they are linked. Okay, I told you Vivekananda ji, even Swami Vivekananda's quotes can come, Gandhiji's quotes can come, Albert Einstein's quotes can come. All these people, okay, they are somewhere have appreciated ethics in their lives, and they have followed it. Vishwesvarya's quotes can come, his life can come as an example, and then you have to comment on few of the things. Understood? And same way in history also some ethics questions, kind of ethics questions are asked. Understood? Next time,
The current internet expansion has instilled a different set of cultural values which are often in conflict with the traditional values.
yes. So this is modern versus tradition. Okay, this you will answer suitably. Why jeans? Why not kurta? Why I have to take bath every day? I'm clean only. Right? Why I should not use social media? Then get depressed. Okay, so these are the things you know it better. what to do?
What do each of the following questions mean to you?
Yes, okay. Now,
And then
ask.
now, if you can stretch out a helping hand, do so. If not, fold your hands, bless your brothers, and let them go their own way. Swami Vivekananda.
So, somewhere it is live and let live. ಆಯ್ತಾ? Okay, ನಿಂಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ಮಾಡ ಇಲ್ಲಾರ ಮುಚ್ಕೊಂಡು ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಯು ಲೆಟ್ ಅಟ್ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಡೂ ಅದರ್ಸ್ ಏ ಅದನ್ನ ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವೋ ಹೇ ಇದನ್ನ ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾಡತ್ತೀರೋ ಸೋ ಮೆನಿ ಪೀಪಲ್ ವಿಲ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಇನ್ ಪ್ರಿಪರೇಷನ್ ಇಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ರೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಸಮ್ ಬುಕ್ ಈ ಬುಕ್ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಇದ್ರಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ it's not about question, it is about gathering knowledge, and exam is testing how well you can apply the gathered knowledge. No one will give OA for apple ಅಂತ ಬರೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ exam ಅಲ್ಲಿ. You should know. Okay, only they will ask you how A is related to zebra. This is what they will ask. Okay, you would have studied ABCD till Z. It is never A for apple, B for bat. Understood? That zamana is gone. Now it is all about how A is related to X, how A is related to Z, zebra. Okay, that is how. Means they are checking the connectivity. They are checking how well you can interconnect the knowledge you have gathered. ಹೌದಾ?